Across the world, extreme weather events are affecting the local conditions in a variety of different ways. Some areas are getting drier and hotter, while others are getting wetter, with floods becoming more frequent and more extreme. Deserts are expanding, and once fertile lands, now lacking vegetation, are being blown away, creating new problems that cross national borders. Formal weather records go back 150 years, but climate scientists have an accurate picture of the planet's varying climate stretching back millions of years. Ancient ice cores and certain geological structures contain reliable records of the Earth's past atmospheric composition and temperature. While these records indicate widely varying climates, conditions have never changed as rapidly as they are changing now. Today, these changes are most noticeable at the poles, with once stable ice shelves breaking up and drifting away. Some estimates say that sea ice in the northern polar region will have completely disappeared within a decade. This iceberg was part of a group seen floating in shipping lanes near New Zealand. Icebergs had never been seen in these waters before, and with the biggest almost 2 kilometres in length, the group of icebergs was creating a significant new problem for shipping in the area. The polar regions have been experiencing above average temperatures for decades. The Antarctic Peninsula has warmed at 5 times the global average, and the Larsen B ice shelf disintegrated between March 1998 and March 1999. Antarctica holds 70% of the world's fresh water, but outlet glaciers, like the Pine Island Glacier, have been receding by around 1 kilometre per year. 244 glaciers on the peninsula have retreated by around 600 metres since 1953. Lonnie Dupre and Eric Larson have seen the ice cap surrounding the North Pole at close range, and the thinning ice put their attempt to cross the ice cap during summer in great danger. Conditions meant that dogs and sleds could not be used, so the experienced polar explorers dragged canoes instead. The pair set off from Canada in May 2005, attempting to cross the Arctic Circle to see just how much of the polar ice cap was melting. The journey was far more perilous than the explorers had envisioned, and after 23 days, they had to call in a helicopter to rescue them. The ice is breaking up earlier in the season and refreezing later. In Greenland, the vast ice sheet is melting too. The extra amounts of liquid water are having an effect on the glaciers, acting as a lubricant. Some large glaciers here have been recorded moving as much as 10 metres in a minute. Such movements are not smooth, and the jolts are registering as seismic activity. Computer projections say that by the end of this century, Arctic temperatures will be 4 degrees Celsius warmer than they are today, with substantial parts of Greenland remaining above freezing for many months of the year. This will mean global sea levels 1 metre higher than they are at present, though changes happening in the far north and far south of our planet will have worldwide consequences.